Hello, welcome to my channel. Uh, as you can see, BTC already touched the all-time high. Not only touch, is actually break the all-time high as well. It's creating new high all the time. So it's in towards to the 114k. Looks like it's gonna touch 115k, or I don't know. Actually, nobody knows. Then gonna come and retest. This is the daily chart. It's gonna come to retest the 109 level or 107, but this is 100k is the safest level. So keep an eye on the levels, and because BTC running high and all the other crypto running high as well. Just today I like to mention about few like the first of all SUI. Lots of people, if you can check my previous video, I try to mention over about, well, it was close to 284, 280, or even 270, 260 as well, that it has got huge potential. So it's up now almost 30% from that level. Looks like it's gonna retest. If he's managed to break this high 350, it will go close to the 370, then 390 and 4. That's the all-time high, but it's gonna come and retest this level. Don't forget about that. So please do your own research analysis, and depends on that, do the entry. Just quickly like to mention few others, one like the XRP. As you know, it was bit in hype. It is the daily chart now is try to break the $2.50 level, but it looks like it's gonna come and retest this level. So just be patient, and it's already up, so it's gonna come. And even though it's gonna go to the retest the high, but it still is need to come down the MA to retest this level at least. And this is the safest zone, as you know. And if you can, it's up to you, but do your own research analysis. Today there was a big hype for this one. I actually don't know what's the reason. I haven't got enough time to check it, and it was huge hype. As you can see from this level, it jumps to the 0.66, so it's up from that level to almost quite more than 50-60% or even more. And if you see the daily chart, look from 11 pence or 12 pence, it's just jumped up to now. It's coming down, so it's quite dangerous and hard to say which, but this is the safest zone to enter. But do your own research analysis. 0.28. But for the daily chart, I would say the previous level, because nobody knows, or but it was really in hype today. Okay, and there was a few others one like Solana. It's quite popular, but as you can see, it touched the 161, then it's coming down now, but looks like it's gonna retest. uh, it's a 15 minutes chart, but it's gonna break this level. If it's gonna manage to break it, it's gonna go all the way 65. All are based on the BTC, but when BTC gonna come and retest its previous low or something, is huge chance to all this gonna come and retest as well. So just be careful all your entries. And just quickly, giving you the update about the copy trading. As I last few days I tried to mention about the copy trading. These are the mock trading, so don't think is all my entries. All of them are. I was just doing the experiment and how is running out, going to do. That's how I was just checking. But all I understand, like last few, although there's a huge like this one's just only from 28th of June, he and they got the almost 77% return, 60% return. But there's something like if and but always behind the scene. So never ever try to do the. That's my honest opinion. Do your own research analysis. Don't try to do the copy trading because someone getting the 77 or 100% return. You're gonna invest all your. Never ever do that. Maximum. It depends on you from your 100% capital. Maximum, if you like to try for this one, I would say if you have 100,000, just try for 1,000. If you have 1,000, then try with only maybe 50 dollar or even less. Depends on how much capital you have. I would say $10, but I'm not gonna. Then it's hard to find it out how it's gonna. And depends on the capital. Like look, this one is $10,000, so you feel like you're getting return. But while you are going to do with the small amount, because these are the competitors, they are working with the high leverage, and by the time it's gonna come and retest or stop loss hit, stop out, you will lose your capital. So with the small amount, it's hard to get uh, 500 to 100. 1,000 is the depends on the percentage. As I mentioned, maximum 5% or to 3% is your from whole capital to understand first. And there's a few tricks and bits to find it out. I can near future I'll try to introduce a course, so hopefully you can get some idea from there. But don't blindly follow the competitors, then you will lose your capital. So as I try to mention clearly all the time, do your own research analysis, but is also quite risky if you don't understand and don't use the stop loss. You can lose your, even though if you're using the stop loss all the time, the stop loss gonna hit, and so there's a chance to lose your capital as well. So some form of uh, the ones found it out. Also, I'm not recommend these ones, but that's the just for the example, the experiment I've been doing. So you can see the returns by this time, but still I'm saying like don't do this. Just do your own research analysis first, and if you really like to do very low amount which you're ready to lose. And that's all from today's. Uh, Hopefully you like the contents. If you find any valuable, please do like and share, and see you soon. Thank you. Bye.